Let me show you all motions and gestures available on Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro. In order to find them, we need to open settings, and then we're gonna scroll down to find additional settings. In here we have gesture shortcuts, where we have a couple of different shortcuts that we can use. But I think one of the most important gestures that we have, of course, are screenshot gestures, where we have 3 fingers slide down gesture, so we can slide 3 fingers down like this in order to capture the full screenshot. We also have, of course, the button combination in here. This can also be deactivated. And then we also have the partial screenshot, so with 3 fingers again we can press and hold anywhere on the screen, and then we can select the area that we want to capture, and of course we can save it afterwards. Besides that, we have the launch camera, which is just the button shortcut, so you can double press the power button to activate the camera. And we also have the double press to activate the flashlight, or deactivate as well, of course. And of course we have the power menu, which can be adjusted in here, and the digital assistant shortcut. But that is essentially it. There are not so many gestures that we can actually perform on this phone. We also have floating windows in here, where we have the explanation on how we can actually activate floating windows and how we can actually manage it as well. So that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.